Looking to start woodworking without spending a fortune? Here are 10 essential DIY tools, all under $100, that will power up your projects and keep your budget in check. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. WORKPRO 20-volt cordless circular saw. Every woodworker knows the importance of a dependable circular saw. The WORKPRO 20-volt cordless circular saw is designed to give you clean, confident cuts without the hassle of cords. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 5,500 rotations per minute. That means strong, stable cutting with less friction and less heat. You can adjust the bevel from 0 to 45 degrees with a maximum cutting depth of 2 and 5/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 and 9/16 inches at 45 degrees. The carbide-tipped blade ensures smooth, precise cuts in framing lumber, plywood, and other woodworking projects. A parallel guide keeps your lines straight, while the sturdy base plate reduces vibration. The dust outlet keeps your workspace clear and visible. At just under 5 pounds, with an ergonomic grip and a 4 amp hour battery pack, this saw is lightweight, comfortable, and ready for any DIY project. Number 2. Porter Cable 20-volt Max Cordless Jigsaw. When your project calls for curves, angles, or intricate shapes, a jigsaw is the tool that makes it possible. The Porter Cable 20-volt Max Cordless Jigsaw gives you freedom to move without cords, powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. With a variable speed trigger, you can control the blade from 0 up to 2,500 strokes per minute. That means clean, precise cuts, whether you're working on hardwood, softwood, or even sheet materials. 3 orbital settings let you adjust how aggressive each cut feels, giving you full control based on the job. The beveling shoe allows cuts from 0 to 45 degrees, perfect for angled edges. A built-in dust blower keeps your line of sight clear, while the tool-free blade release makes swapping blades quick and easy. With its contoured, over-molded grip, this jigsaw is comfortable to hold, reducing strain so you can focus on the craft, not the fatigue. Number 3. Spear and Jackson Tenon Saw. For fine woodworking, precision is everything, and that's where the Spear and Jackson 12-inch Tenon saw shines. With 15 points per inch universal teeth, this saw cuts smoothly both along the grain and across it, making it versatile for joinery and small projects. The brass back adds strength and rigidity, keeping the blade perfectly straight so every stroke feels controlled and confident. Made from high carbon steel, the blade holds its sharpness, giving you durability for repeated use. The traditional wooden handle, fixed securely with rivets, feels natural in your hand, allowing you to guide the saw with comfort and accuracy. Whether you're cutting joints, trimming small pieces, or working with wood-based materials, this tool connects you directly to the craft. It's not just about cutting wood, it's about feeling the precision and tradition of woodworking in every movement. Number 4. Worx 20-volt cordless drill driver. Every workshop needs a dependable drill, and the Worx 20-volt cordless drill driver is built to make everyday drilling easy. With all-metal gearing, it delivers up to 265 inch-pounds of torque, giving you the power to breeze through furniture assembly, picture hanging, drywall, and countless DIY projects. The same PowerShare battery that runs this drill can also be used with more than 140 other Worx tools, which means your investment expands across your entire toolkit. What sets this drill apart is the included 84-piece accessory kit, packed with useful bits and even hand tools like a hammer, tape measure, screwdriver, and utility knife. Compact at just 6.8 inches long and weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's comfortable for overhead work and tight spaces. With variable 2-speed control, 20+1 clutch settings, and a bright LED light, this drill gives you precision, versatility, and confidence in every project. Number 5. Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig. Strong hidden joints are the mark of professional woodworking, and the Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig makes that process simple and reliable. Pocket hole joinery is fast, strong, and easy. Just drill, drive, and you're done. The K4 jig is trusted by both DIYers and professionals because it offers precision and adjustability in a proven design. With its 3-hole drill guide, you can create pocket holes in materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick, giving you flexibility for furniture, cabinetry, and countless projects. The large clamping recess secures the jig firmly, while the removable drill guide makes it equally useful on a benchtop or in portable setups. What makes this tool special is how it turns complex joinery into a straightforward process, letting you focus on creativity instead of frustration. With the Kreg K4, you'll build rock-solid joints that look clean and professional every time. Number 6. Robustrue 21-volt cordless impact driver. When you need serious fastening power, an impact driver is the tool that makes the difference. The Robustrue 21-volt cordless impact driver delivers up to 2,035 inch-pounds of torque at 3,300 rotations per minute. That kind of strength lets you drive large screws, lag bolts, and work through dense materials with ease. With 4 speed levels and impact rates up to 4,000 blows per minute, you can tailor the power for delicate assembly or heavy construction. Two rechargeable 2 amp hour batteries keep you working longer, and the smart reverse mode slows down as bolts loosen, preventing spin out or dropped fasteners. A bright LED light illuminates dark corners, while the compact 2.15-pound design and soft ergonomic grip reduce fatigue. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, garage projects, or woodworking builds, this impact driver gives you controlled power and confidence every time. Number 7. Goingmake Dowel Jig Kit. When you want strong traditional joints, a dowel jig is the tool that makes it simple. The Goingmake Dowel Jig Kit is designed for accuracy, speed, and repeatable results. With its center line pointer, you can align marks on your workpieces perfectly, drilling 3 straight dowel holes at once for joints that fit tight and hold strong. It includes 9 hardened steel bushings in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch sizes, along with matching drill bits, giving you flexibility for cabinets, furniture, and all kinds of woodworking projects. The Smart Edge Stop system lets you position the jig in 1/8 inch increments, while clear laser scales provide precision down to 1/16 of an inch. A quick clamp system secures the jig to any thickness of wood, saving time and effort. Whether you're making butt joints, miter joints, or edge joints, this kit ensures your dowel connections are accurate, fast, and beautifully strong. Number 8. Jorgensen 15-inch handsaw. Sometimes the simplest tools are the ones you reach for most often, and the Jorgensen 15-inch handsaw is built to deliver fast, reliable cuts. With 8 teeth per inch and triple ground edges, it cuts up to 50% faster than standard saws, making it perfect for trimming boards, pruning branches, or tackling quick woodworking jobs. The blade is crafted from SK5 high-carbon steel, which holds its edge and resists bending even after repeated use. A black Teflon coating reduces friction, keeps the blade moving smoothly, and protects it from rust and moisture. The reinforced aluminum handle is shaped for comfort, with a non-slip grip that feels secure in your hand. Built-in guides at 45 and 90 degrees make marking angles easy. Whether you're cutting wood, PVC, or working outdoors in the garden, this handsaw is versatile, efficient, and always ready for everyday tasks. Number 9. Jorgensen 4-piece wood chisel set. A good set of chisels is like an extension of your hands, and the Jorgensen 4-piece wood chisel set is built to give you control, precision, and strength. Inside the set you'll find 4 sizes: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, covering everything from delicate carving to heavy mortising. Each blade is made from premium chromium alloy steel, hardened to a Rockwell rating of 60 to 64, which means it holds its edge longer and resists wear even after repeated use. The 25-degree beveled edge slices cleanly through both softwood and hardwood, leaving smooth finishes that make your work look professional. The hardwood handles feel solid and natural, while the metal ferrules prevent splitting when struck with a mallet. Whether you're a hobbyist shaping decorative details or a professional cutting precise joints, this set delivers reliability, comfort, and lasting performance in every project. Number 10. VNW 6-in-1 Rafter Square with Carpenter Pencil. Accuracy is the foundation of good woodworking, and the VNW 6-in-1 Rafter Square gives you precision in one compact tool. It combines 6 essential carpentry functions: square, protractor, ruler, marking gauge, T-bevel gauge, and bubble level, so you can measure, mark, and check angles without switching tools. The laser engraved graduations are clear and easy to read, ensuring every line and angle is exact. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet durable with excellent resistance to corrosion and wear. A sensitive 2-inch bubble level is built right into the body, letting you check surfaces quickly and confidently. Each edge is thickened for strength, giving you a tool that won't bend or break under pressure. Whether you're framing, marking cuts, or setting angles, this rafter square saves time and keeps your work precise. Paired with the Carpenter pencil, it becomes a reliable companion for every project, big or small.